Welcome to Maths by Swati ma'am. Now we are going to deal with some extra questions related to exercise 8.2 that we have already done in the previous parts. If you have not watched them, the link is provided in the description box. Watch them, okay? And after that, these are the questions which have been asked in the board examination related to the exercise 8.2. See, this is the question on CBSE 2019 board question papers question, where we have here, if tan of a plus b is equal to 1 and tan of a minus b equal to 1 by root 3, where a is greater than b and a plus b sum is between 0 degree and 90 degree, we need to find a and b. This type of question we have already discussed one in the previous video, which was in exercise 8.2. okay, the same kind of question which is asked. We'll simplify this, not to worry. See, what is provided, dears? Tan of a plus b is equal to 1 is provided, and I told you, if I want to have a and b value, the tan has to be removed, or any trigonometric value which is given, that has to be removed. So to remove that, this part also I have to write in the form of tan. And you know that, how can I write it? See, tan of a plus b is equal to, how can I write 1 in the form of tan? We know that tan 45 is equal to how much? It is equal to 1. So 1 I will write it as tan 45. Okay. Now I told you both the side we have tan. Now I can cancel the tan. What I left with? I left with a plus b is equal to 45. Let it be equation number 1. Fine. Now we'll go to the second equation, second part. What is provided in the second part? Second part is provided with tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay. Now you need to write this 1 by root 3 in the form of tan. So what I'll be having, dears? Tan of a minus b is equal to, see, 1 by root 3 is nothing but how much? It is nothing but tan 30. So I'll be having here, it is nothing but tan 30. Okay. So now here also tan got cancelled. I left with a minus b is equal to 30. Let it be equation number 2. And you know, once equations are provided and we have two variables, and we can cancel the variables to find the value of other variable, isn't it? See, we have equation 1 and we have equation 2. Now I have here, what I do to calculate any one value, either I have to add the equation or I have to subtract the equation. Fine. So now what I'll do, I will add the equation 1 plus equation 2. So what is equation 1 I have? See here, a plus b is equal to 45. This is the first equation. And what about the second equation? A minus b is equal to 30. This is the second equation. Let me add the equation. Okay. See, a plus a. Okay. Since I am adding the equation, a plus a will become 2a. See, minus b plus b got cancel each other. Now see here, I am adding theirs. 45 plus 30 will become how much? 75. Now bring this 2 to this side, and this multiplication 2 will become division. Now what I am going to do here? See, 2a is equal to 75, where a is equal to 75 divided by 2. I got here a is equal to how much? A is equal to nothing but 2 3s are 6, 1 left, 15 it became, 2 7s are 14, 37.5 degrees. Now A is equal to 37.5 degrees. Okay. Now we'll calculate B. What I do? I will put A is equal to 37.5 in any of the equation. I'll take equation 2 here. So put A is equal to 37.5 in equation 2. What is there in equation 2, dears? A minus B is equal to 30, where A is equal to how much? 37.5 minus b is equal to 30. So to simplify this, what I do is I'll bring 30 to this side and b to this side. Why? Because b is negative. So to make it positive, I'm bringing that to other side. See here, 37.5 minus 30 is equal to b, where 37.5 minus 30 is nothing but how much? 7.5 degrees. So b is equal to how much I got? 7.5 degrees. So a is equal to 37.5, b is equal to 7.5. This is the very recent question which has been asked here. So practice this kind of question. We'll move to the next board asked question. Next question is, show that 1 minus sine 60 divided by cos 60 is equal to tan 60 minus 1 divided by tan 60 plus 1. You need to show that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So to solve this type of question, simplify separately LHS and separately RHS. Fine. So first we'll consider the LHS part. What is there in LHS part, dears? 1 minus sine 60 whole divided by cos 60. Remember the values, remember the table, is it not? Sine 60 is how much? Root 3 by 2, where cos 60 is 1 by 2. Okay, so now substitute the values. 1 minus root 3 by 2 whole divided by 1 by 2. Okay, we'll simplify the numerator. See, can I write it as 1 by 1? Isn't it? Fine. So simplify the numerator first. What is the LCM of the numerator, dears? 2 is the LCM of the numerator. See, 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2. 1 2s are 2 minus root 3 1s are root 3 whole divided by, dears, please don't forget there is a denominator. What you will do most of the time, you just go on simplifying the numerator and you will forget the denominator. Don't do that. Denominator is also present. That is how much? 1 by 2. Yes or no? See, both the denominator values are same. Or else we'll do the simplification. You know that if numerator and denominator both are fraction formation, denominator will go to numerator and the numerator's denominator will come to denominator. So what I'll be having here, see, 2 minus root 3, this will go to the numerator into 2 whole divided by, this 2 will come to the denominator, as in the denominator I have 1. So this becomes 2 into 1. See here, 2 got cancelled. What I left with, dear? 2 minus root 3. Means my LHS, I got it as 2 minus root 3. The same way, we'll simplify the RHS part. Okay. What is there in the RHS part, dears? I have tan 60 minus 1 divided by tan 60 plus 1. Okay, please do remember tan values also. I told you sin, cos, tan. These three are very necessary to be remembered. Okay, so tan 60 is root 3, that we know. Okay, substitute the value. Root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. Can I keep the value like this? You know, cannot. Why? Because denominator is irrational number. So I have to rationalize the denominator. To do that, what I am going to do? Multiply the denominator, change the sign. Yes or no? So I have to multiply by root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. Look at the numerator part, dears. Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1. So I will be having root 3 minus 1 the whole square. Isn't it? Whole divided by, see, look at the denominator. A plus b into a minus b, where I have a square minus b square. So I'll be having root 3 square minus 1 square. Okay, so now we'll expand the numerator as well as we simplify the denominator. It looks like a minus b the whole square, dear. You know that the algebraic formation, a minus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. By using this identity, let me simplify this numerator part. In place of a, I have root 3. In place of b, I have 1. Yes or no? A square. What I am going to write here? Root 3 the whole square plus b square. In place of b, I have 1. So it will be 1 square minus 2 into a into b. Okay, 2 into a into b. whole divided by root 3 square. Square and root will get cancelled. I left with 3 dears. Yes or no? Square and root will get cancelled. I left with 3 and 1 square is how much? 1, isn't it? See, simplify this. Root 3 square will become 3. 1 square will become 1 minus 2 into root 3 whole divided by 3 minus 1 is how much? 2, isn't it? See here, 3 plus 1, that is 4, minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. For the simplification perspective, I will take 2 common from the numerator. Okay, here 4 is there, here 2 is there. If I take 2 common from the numerator, what is left here? 2 2s are 4, that is 2 is left. Here I have taken 2 already out, so only root 3 is left divided by 2. Dears, you just cancel 2 and 2 here. What I left with? 2 minus root 3. Yes or no? Just chuck the LHS part and RHS part. Here it was LHS, that is 2 minus root 3, and here it is RHS, that is 2 minus root 3. At the end of the question was show that they are equal to each other. Of course, I got the answer as LHS simplification is equal to RHS. Very possibility are there that this kind of question also might be asked in the board examination. Next question is evaluate cot square 30. This is third question. Cot square 30 minus 2 cos square 30 minus 3 by 4 secant square 45 plus 1 by 2 cosecant square 30. So dear, whenever this type of questions are there, it is very necessary that you should know the table, dears. Otherwise, you might get confusion while solving the sum. Okay. Cot 30. You know that cot is the reciprocal of tan. Do you remember the tan 30 value? What is tan 30? Tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3. You reciprocal it, how much it is? Root 3. Means cot 30 is how much? Root 3. Yes or no? And square is there. Do not forget to square it. Root 3 the whole square. Minus 2 into cos square. I told you to remember the cos values. Cos 0 is 0, and after that we have 30. 30 degrees how much? Root 3 by 2. Yes or no? So I have here cos 30 as root 3 by 2 the whole square minus 3 divided by 4. Okay, now it is secant theta, sec theta. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Yes or no? Cos 45 is how much? 1 by root 2. Reciprocal it, just root 2. So I'll be having cos 45 is root 2 the whole square plus 1 by 2. See cosecant 30. Okay, cosec is the reciprocal of sin theta. Sin 30 is how much? 1 by 2. If you reciprocal, it will become 2. So cosec 30 is 2 square. I hope it is understood. Practice it very properly. Fine. So now we'll simplify this, dears. Root 3 the whole square. Square and root will get cancelled. I left with 3 here minus 2 into bracket. See, root 3 by 2 the whole square. Square is related to both numerator and denominator. Root 3 square is nothing but 3. 2 square is 4 minus 3 by 4. See, root 2 the square is nothing but how much? 2 it is. Yes or no? Plus 1 by 2 into 2 square is 4. I hope it is understood. Fine. Now, see, simplify this one. 3 minus 2 ones are 2 twos are. What is left here, dears? 3 divided by 2. Fine. See here. 2 ones are 2 twos are. What is left here? Minus again 3 by 2. Isn't it, dears? See, 2 ones are 2 2. What is left here? Plus 2. So at the end, I got here as 3 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 2. We'll simplify by taking the LCM. What is the LCM? LCM is 2. Yes or no? 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 2s are 2. 3 2s are 6 minus 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 2 2s are 4. Fine. Now simplify this one. 6 plus 4 is nothing but 10. 3 3 will become, both are negative, that will become how much? 6 divided by 2. 10 minus 6 is how much? 4. 4 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So the answer I got here is 2. this kind of questions you need to practice, dear. I'll give you many more questions in the next coming videos. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe the channel and like the video and comment if you have understood.